What if I told you that the difference between passing and failing the CPTE oral component isn't just about what you know, but how you communicate what you know? Hey, future physiotherapist, I'm Ravneet Singh, and today we are diving deep into the blueprint that will transform your approach to the CPTE oral section. Whether you're months away from your exam or just starting your preparation journey, this will give you the exact framework you need to walk into the exam with confidence. By the end of this whole tutorial, you'll understand not just what the oral component tests, but exactly how to structure your answers, manage your time, and demonstrate the clinical reasoning that examiners are looking for. First, let's break down exactly what you're facing. The CPTE oral component is 2.5 hours marathon that tests your clinical reasoning under pressure, and this is how these 150 minutes look like. The numbers that matter: 10 unique cases, 15 minutes per case, 150 total points, and 2 independent examiners, both scoring you simultaneously. But this is what most candidates don't realize. This isn't a knowledge dump. The examiners aren't looking for you to recite textbook definitions. They want to see you think like a practicing therapist. Each case contains 3 components: client profile, clinical reasoning, the 3 targeted questions, where your opportunity to demonstrate clinical excellence. The beauty of this format is that it mirrors real clinical practice. You're not just answering theoretical questions. You're solving actual problems that you'll face in your career. Let's talk about the question framework. Now, here's where your strategy becomes crucial. Every single case follows the same 3-question pattern, and understanding this pattern is your secret weapon. Question type 1: assessment and diagnosis, or care planning. This is where you demonstrate your analytical thinking. The examiners want to see systemic approach to assessment, evidence-based reasoning for your conclusions, clear prioritization of interventions. Always explain your why before your what. Don't just say what you do. Explain why you choose that your approach over alternatives. Question type 2: client safety and client-centered care. The question tests your professional judgment and empathy, risk identification, patient autonomy, and cultural competency. Remember, safety isn't just about physical harm. You really want to consider psychological, social, and cultural safety too. Question type 3: professional responsibilities, collaboration, and communication. Now, this is about your role in the healthcare ecosystem. Scope of practice, interprofessional collaboration, professional communication, and standards. The examiner wants to see that you understand physiotherapy is not just happening in isolation. Show them you're a team player who communicates effectively with different IDT. The scoring system. Understanding how you're scored changes everything about how you prepare. So let me show you what the examiners are really looking for. So the 15-point breakdown per case. Do you know your stuff? Can you think critically? Can you explain it clearly? Let's break it down in 3 components again. Content knowledge, which is about 40%. Do you know your stuff? Clinical reasoning, which is again 40%. Can you think critically? Communication, which is about 20%. Can you explain it clearly? So what loses you points? Jumping to conclusions without explaining your reasoning. Ignoring patient context or individual factors. Poor time management, leaving questions incomplete. Unclear communication that confuses your thought process. What earns you points? Structured thinking, evidence, patient-centered approach, professional communication, which is clear and confident. Now here's the game changer. Partial credit is available. Even if you don't know the exact answer, demonstrating sound reasoning can still earn you significant points. Well, I hope it helps you all. For course enrollment, email here or use the link in the description link. So good luck. We'll see you in the next tutorial.